Charlie. Look at that face. That face says satisfaction. He just tore up in 15 minutes what's billed as the world's toughest soft chew toy, and has a picture of Rottweilers and German Shepherds and Pit Bulls on the cover. And Charlie, the bionic dog, was able to gut it in about 15 minutes. Charlie, let me see. Let me see. Yeah, let me see your toy. Oh, so let's see. The ultimate ring. Yeah. Didn't count on Charlie, did it? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You want me to throw it for you? Here we go. Ready? Yeah. Oh, what a good doggy. Oh, I hear Mommy. Okay.